Hi, I'm Mehdi, the chocolatier. I'm going to show you a really cool recipe with chocolate and almonds. It's called almond bark. And first you want to start with some dark chocolate. I'm using chocolate chips because they melt really easily in the microwave. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. And we're going to throw it in the microwave for 30 seconds at a time. So you're doing it 30-second intervals because chocolate tends to melt really quickly and burn. And we're using the highest quality chocolate you can afford. I'm going to take it out and give it a stir halfway through. So it's still clumpy and not really melted, so it needs to go back in. So just throw it back in another 30 seconds. So you're going to take your chocolate out. You want to make sure you get the best quality chocolate for this because you only have 2 ingredients. So now the chocolate is well melted. This consistency looks perfect because it's fluid, there's no chocolate lumps in there. So now you want to get your sheet pan ready. Just take the back of a cookie sheet, lay some foil over it. We're using foil because you can throw it away when you're done, easy cleanup. Just want to spread the foil so it's flat on the sheet. You can also use parchment paper or plastic wrap, whatever you have. And now you want to just pour all the chocolate right onto the tray. Now you want to use your spatula to just spread it nice and thin. And a really cool trick to make sure it's nice and flat is just to bang it, and that way it's all level. And you're going to sprinkle your almonds right on top. And we'll go straight into the freezer, 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, it's nice and set, like this one. And we're just going to break it apart. And just break it apart right onto the plate. Like so. And the pieces don't have to be perfect, just wherever it breaks. And share this with your friends, even if you don't want to.